Rupees 50 lakhs. That's how much the government gave Priya from Pune for free. Yes, I'm saying completely free. Zero loan, zero repayment, and just pure benefits. And you know what? Most people watching this video right now don't even know this even exists. In this next few minutes in my video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that money. But first, please hit that subscribe button right now because videos like this, YouTube does not show them to everyone, only to the subscribers. I hope you are done. And good. Let's get you that rupees 50 lakh benefits. Before we start, let me tell you about Priya. 2022, Pune, she had this amazing healthcare app idea. Now, what was the problem? The problem was that she had three massive roadblocks. Problem number one, income tax. Income tax could eat 30% of her profit, and that's 30 out of every rupees 100 she made was going to the government. Problem number two, patent registration. It costed around 2 lakhs to her. She didn't have that kind of money. And without patent, anyone could steal her idea, right? And now the problem number three. The major problem most of you face is banks wanted collateral. They said, show us your property, your land, your gold. That can count your net worth. But truth was that she was having nothing. Sound familiar, right? Maybe you are watching this video right now because you have a business idea and these texts exact same problems are stopping you to move forward, right? Now, then the Priya, the girl from Pune, she discovered something the government had been offering since 2016 and she was completely unaware. But 90% of entrepreneurs have no idea about. Yes, we are talking about Startup India scheme, which maximum of people in India have no idea about, right? Now let me tell you here what happened to her. When Priya got to know about this Startup India scheme, now what the benefits she got with this was 100% tax exemption for 3 years. Yes, that 30% tax, it was completely gone and she saved around 45 lakh rupees on this. Just count this 15 lakh her yearly profit, and of 30% of 15 lakh, just let's assume she was having 15 lakhs profit for again completely 3 years. What would be the amount? It was around 45 lakh, right? Now the next was patent. That costed her rupees 2 lakhs was now just for rupees 40,000. She got 80% discount. Just imagine, she saved another 1.6 lakhs a year. And the next she got was her patent was approved in 6 months. And I hope most of you know that sometimes it takes 2 years to get approved. But due to Startup India scheme, her patent got approved just in 6 months. And also she got 80 lakh loan with zero collateral. That means she has no property to offer. She didn't give any gold or nothing. She just 80 lakh loan without any collateral. And also she won a 50 lakh government contract as a new company with zero experience. That's huge, right? Now total value, if we calculate, it's around in fact it's more than 1.2 cr, right? 1 crore 20 lakhs. That's huge. And today her company has 35 employees just after 5 years, serving around 10,000 patients in Pune. Now you are probably thinking, this sounds good to be true. I understand that. Now let me show you some proof. This is not some shady scheme. This is the Government of India's official program launched by Prime Minister of India in 2016. Now, Startup India is the government's flagship initiative to build one of the world's strongest startup ecosystem. Yes, you heard right. Strongest startup system ecosystem. Now think of it as the government being your co-founder and supporting you with money, mentorship, and just removing whatever the obstacles come to your way, right? And the numbers are completely mind-blowing. Up till December 2024, there were 1,57,706 startup under this scheme. They were recognized as startup up till December 24 from 2016 to 2024. Now, this created 17 lakh plus direct jobs. That's huge. And 49% were just from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Yes, just tier 2 and tier 3 cities with, and I'm not talking about that they were from metros, they were from small cities in India. Now India is now the third largest startup ecosystem globally, just after USA and China. And you know what, we have 112 unicorns, company valued over 1 billion. And here's the beautiful part, 48% of recognized startups have women directors. That's 73,151. This is the women-led startups that is changing India's future. This is not just a scheme. Trust me, it's a movement. This means if you are either from Indore, Chandigarh, maybe Jaipur, Surat, Lucknow, any place, this scheme is just for you. Now, here's some important part. Not everyone can get this. I understand. Now there are just 5 rules, and if you don't meet them, you are completely out of this game. So please listen carefully. Now the 5 golden rules. First is company type. Now this is important. You need to be a registered company, not a sole proprietorship or maybe one person company. No, that won't work. You need one of these 3. Either you register your company as private limited company, or LLP, that is limited liability partnership, or maybe a registered partnership firm. If you don't have a company yet, please don't worry, that's okay. I will show you in my next video how to do that. Now rule number 2 is age limit. Now this is also important. Your company should be less than 10 years old. Yes, 10 years old. And you have suppose if you have registered your company in 2015 or afterwards, okay, then it's good. You can avail the benefit of this scheme. But if before 2015, then I'm really sorry for you. You have crossed the limit, and the clock of this scheme starts from date of the incorporation, not from when you started operations. Say you registered your company 2014, the date of incorporation 2014, but you started the business, the operations in 2016 in beginning, or maybe in 2015 late, then sorry, you are not eligible, because the date counts from the date of incorporation. Now the rule number 3 is turnover. The turnover of your company should be less than 100 crores in any financial year since 2000. Since your incorporation, means suppose if your company was established in 2015 afterwards, then from that time till up till now, in the past 8 to 9 years, or maybe when just you are close to 10, your company should have not crossed the turnover 100 crore. If it has crossed, then sorry, this scheme is not for you, right? Now rule number 4, if for the turnover part, I will say that if you're watching this video, I think completely that you are probably way below the turnover 100 crore, right? So please don't worry, this scheme is just for you. Now rule number 4 is original business. Now this is much important. You should not be formed by just splitting an existing business, or reconstruction of old business, or maybe merger or demerger. You must be genuinely new venture. Maybe this should not be that your father's business you are just taking over. Now the person have changed, now the formation you are changing. Maybe your father was in sole proprietorship, now you are doing in partnership. No, this is not applicable for you. This is for the only the genuinely new ventures, the original businesses. And now the golden rule number 5, the big one. Innovation is key, right? This is the big one. There is where most people get rejected. Yes, if you have a above 4, say you have registered your company, your age limit is less than 10 years, you have turnover of less than 100 crores, and you have original business idea, but the innovation, if you don't have that, it your application can be rejected. Your business must be something innovative, solving a problem, right? Maybe a new problem, or maybe a old problem you can take and just solve it in a better way. Now just let's take an example. You are opening another restaurant. You are already having a restaurant and now you are opening the another one. Then sorry, this is not an innovative idea. You are starting another coaching classes? No. If you are starting any regular retail shop? No. But say if you are starting another restaurant with AI powered ordering system or delivering system, then it's innovation, right? AI is something new now. You can be starting a tech platform with adaptive learning, maybe any healthcare app with telemedicines. Now you see the difference, right? What does this, the word innovation, the innovation word, what does it mean, right? So, so let's have a quick check. If you meet these 5 rules, you could be getting that 50 lakh benefits. Now, but here's the thing. Sorry, just knowing this is not enough. You need to know how to apply, because most application gets rejected. You all of you know that, right? People make silly mistakes, maybe sometimes strong documents, weak business decisions, and sometimes missing the deadlines, and then they lose the benefits of more than 50 lakhs. Now that's why I made my video number 2, explaining the complete step-by-step application guide, every document you need to apply, every mistakes to avoid, and the link as soon as my video get, I will provide in the description below. Now before you go, please hit the like button, because every like helps YouTube show this video to more entrepreneurs who may actually need it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now, because in the next video I will show how you people are getting 20 lakhs in free seed funding. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, please take care. Thank you.